This in any way related to what is taking place with Big Tom and the
Yes,
people?
and that's my son that Tom hit man a side man. What kind of thing that?
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit your notification button. Country boss, big up yourself. See it. Now, yo, Michael Malcolm, why you big up yourself, my lad? Every time, cause you don't know. You're up on the country squad from day one. See, if you log in on the WhatsApp group, I'm going to link up. But yo, big up yourself. Nuclear, big up yourself. Silent, Country Girl. Who else? 306. Yo, not so much people for big up. We can't even remember everybody's name. But who for name I remember? Big up SenseP. Big up all the subscribers. Last but not least, Carla Reed. Big up yourself. Alright? Big up yourself, baby. Yeah. Now, when you hear the clip, we'll play it. And the brother there, his name Kenneth Big Tom Flowers. I'm taking y'all to Belize City. When you know Belize, the country, well, at the capital. And that youth here, him run one of the biggest gang in that place. The PIV. It sounds like private part gang, but anyways, you know, I make fun of the man them thing. But yo, I want dangerous boy. But you hear him talk in front of the media. Well, may I play a couple more clips and I find out where him do. Now, after that, if me have enough time, me go show now in history. So let's move on with this equation. Remember now, we are Belize City. I think that is South America, right in the Caribbean, on the Caribbean side, near Trinidad, Venezuela, whatnot. You understand? So yeah, that me know a man where left Jamaica and go to Belize and drive through Belize and go straight into Texas. I know that's your fact. Maybe not now, but back in the days. But anyways, we are going to move on.
Brandon Almendares, you taking down front of my gate, this gate right here. You saying you never have the heart to come to my door mouth and kill my son. You never have the heart to come to Jasmine Street there and kill my next son. But this I got to tell you, big fish. Saying GSO and the police will protect you. The same GSO and police will bring you down.
Words spoken in anger and resentment by a mother who has since lost 3 of her 9 sons to gunshots.
When you hear that clip there, but before I talk about that clip, I want to say something real quick. When I notice, I believe them similar to Jamaica in a lot of ways. But one thing we notice is how the gang member them and the criminal them go to the news media all the time and have interviews on a regular basis. You don't find that too much in Jamaica, and you don't find that. You will find a little bit more of that in Trinidad. What I also notice is that the man them in Jamaican police them more, I don't know if I rougher, but I think the people them in the other place know them constitutional rights, more put it like that. That's what me notice, but let's move on. Now, you hear the lady just talk say, that youth here big time fling her two son them because some money owing thing. So she even come out to the media. So everything in that case here I play out in the media because she come out to the media after him go to the media, then the mother of the two deceased brother. When I remember the name, can't remember everything. Went and talked to the guy. So that's what I noticed in Belize. People will be quick to talk to the media. It's more like them have more freedom of speech, I guess. But this is what he was accused of doing. The PIV. I don't know what kind of name that. Kenneth Big Town Flowers. Him run the PIV. The PIV gang. So that's what he is accused of doing. Let's move on.
The fish hold him $6,000, right? He call and be there at work, but he call and the fish tell him, boy, I want $200. Jason tell him, I ain't to give me my $6,000, then I could give you $200. But people fear for talk. The fish tell him, Jason, pow, pow.
When you hear where the mother said a while, now you can see say something happen with them youth because the mother said big time all the youth $6,000. But it seems like them used to be friends because he used to go and pick him up all the time. But it seems like big time a slap with all them friend them from when me see. And them have a bigger issue of one. Maybe have some scamming thing, because them go on with that down there so too. But the bigger suspect of the other thing, you understand? The young girl thing. You understand? White girl thing. So, to me, it looks like a that. A one. Because the money owe. Now, the youth here, big time, in sort of weather the storm, yo. Before I go in and that, I play another clip so you can hear something.
And the brother that get killed before, every day I go pick up the brother. Every day, anytime he want to go somewhere, go anywhere that me go pick up on. You know what I mean? So by the end of the day, then it's supposed to be my family, so I don't know how I'll be the one when I kill their son. You know what I mean? Then time for them to kind of accuse me of the same thing. Then now they say that GSU pass and say the big man say you for dead next. And
when you hear that clip there, look wild. That clip there, am I youth a pleading case to the media and John public? Time I say him and the youth, they were friends and now police say they want to slap him with. But anyways, that youth have an extensive record because a 3 times him get fling away from America. And the last time him get fling away in 2013, him slap with a man in a Utah. Him dash with a man down in a Utah, dog. And the man beat the case because him say him did a smoke. Him did a freebase. You don't know what me I talk about. You understand? Him say him did a freebase and him beat the case. Them charge him for the illegal entry and charge him for the illegal possession of firearm. You understand? Dangerous boy. If you notice how him attack and them thing there. But when you look into his history, now enough things him did get all charged for. Don't Belize. Some slapware and some other thing and him be the charge. We're gonna move on. Now him there with a girl. And the girl mother, police don't stop come out yard and look for him and want to talk to him. Because like the police don't know where I going. So, that take care of the girl mother, where she have to tell the news media. Listen to this.
Is this in any way related to what is taking place with Big Tom and the
Yes,
people?
and that's my son that Tom hit man a side man. What kind of thing that?
You what that lady they are talking about. Apparently, him there that woman there, daughter, and they must say, our son, I'm Hitman, I'm hired hands. But them used to do certain software and certain things. And the rumor run rampant, so the police will do them investigation. You understand? But that youth, yeah, remember me tell you, he might dash him friend them, he might dash the man them in the neighborhood. He come America, he dash a man or two. You understand? Because 3 times he get fling away, you know. 3 times he get fling away. And then the last time, him beat the charge, yo. He beat the slapper charge. And him tell the police him did a smoke. Him did a free base. I don't know where that is. And so comes him beat the charge. I don't know self-defense him saying claim. And him end up beat the charge. Amazing. If that had it me, he would have probably stuck. and can't come out, dog. But yeah. So him have a lot of things going on. Now, I thought him did get that way, but from talking to the contact them and doing the research, him still around. 2020 him get charged for some kind of weird charge, yo. You can Google that. You know what I say it over the thing, cause YouTube red flag me. So yeah. And them charge him for that, cause it went viral. And then the government and people see John Public see and look out upon it. So the police did have to step up and charge him. So he might go court right now and I deal with that situation there. And like I said, that boy had the Teflon done. Him coming like a dinosaur. Him out of the out of the whole of the man them, him still stand up strong and him still there and him still a baba on you. So this is the story of Kenneth Big Tom Flowers, Belize City, most notorious PIG gang leader, yo. My name is Countryman, I'm out. Peace. Check out the Patreon page. Check out the WhatsApp. Malcolm, big up yourself. Trinity Boss, big up yourself. Undocumented, big up on yourself. I'm out.